think it's recording. Focus. Alright. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the hashtag Panda Squad. So I've got squishy package. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I didn't know if there was a squishy package or not. I mean, I don't know if this is mine or not. Okay guys, so don't mind the background noise, but yeah, I think this is my packet. I don't know because it says in the bag that it's Royal Sporting House. Okay guys, so anyways, don't mind the background noise. Sorry guys, the reason I'm shouting is because I'm excited. But anyways, let's get started. So I'll just pull out the first thing. Yeah. So, ooh, I got something. Here it is. Oh, I thought it was something else. I think this is slime. I don't really play with slime, but okay. The thing's missing, but yep. Here's a slime. It's green color. Pretty soft. I don't usually play with these kind of stuff, so I'm just gonna put these back. But if it's an extra, then thank you so much. I don't really know. Sorry guys about that background noise, but thank you so much if this is an extra. I'm gonna pull out this. I'm sorry if you hear all that noise because that is my me talking. But anyways, I've got this. I don't know what this is. I didn't order this. The only thing I ordered is just squishies and stuff like that. So yeah, but here is it. I don't know what's this, but I think this is slime. I don't know. I think these have sexual slime. But if this isn't an extra, then thank you because I didn't order this. Okay. I've seen these before on YouTube. These are like nom noms thing. Oh, what's this? I found something. Okay. I found this chocolate thing. I don't know if it's focusing. Okay, sorry, but I don't know if it's focusing. Focus! It's not focusing. Focus on me, please. Focus. Focus. It's not focusing, I'm sorry. But here it is. So cute. It's a little chocolate bar. It smells really good. It smells like kind of like chocolatey and sneaker. Ooh, sorry. The face is so cute. I thought it's gonna be hard, but it's actually like rubbery and stuff like that. It looks so realistic. So cute. And the next thing I pull out is this thing. Oh, it's lettuce. Okay. Lettuce. Great. I think this is one of the nom noms thing. So thank you so much. I did not order this. I'm pretty sure this is an extra. Thank you. These are really expensive. That's why I don't really buy it, but so cute. Thank you so much. And I pull out this thing. Oh, it's an ice cream. I know. So it's this ice cream. It kind of looks like sea themed. I don't really know, but it looks like a sea themed. super cute. But I did not order an ice cream like this, so thank you so much. And also, I'm quite surprised that the bag is not that big, because I did order one thing really big, is like the Panda Jumbo egg, which is as big as like this, as big as that. So I don't know how it's not filled to the top, but okay. So I'm just gonna feel the ice cream. Oh my gosh, it smells like waffle bread. So good. And it's super soft and squishy. But thank you so much if this is an extra. And it's the first squishy I received. So yay. Then the next thing I pull out again is this. Oh, it's my Shopkin squishies. This is like the jelly, yeah, I think it's a jello or a jelly thingy. If you know this Shopkins name, comment down below. I'm using this for my Shopkins collection. Ugh. It's a little bit dense. Oh yeah, it's like soft. This one's dense. It's really dense. She said like it's gonna be really like soft and slow rising. It's not soft, but it is smooth. But it's just not that slow rising. There's like a pop up to it, but oh yeah, I don't know where's like the chain, like this thingy, like this. I don't know where is it. It's supposed to be here. I seen it in her video of photos on Instagram, so I don't know. Okay guys, the next I pull out is this. Oh, it's another Nom Nom. So it's really dusty. It's another Nom Nom. I don't know why. But like, I think it's another extra. There you go. Focus more. But yeah, I think this is an extra. Smells really good. It smells like strawberries. Oh girl, this one smells kind of like lettuce and stuff. But at the same time, it smells really good. It smells like Chanel perfume. But at the same time, I'm kind of confused because I did not order this design. I ordered like the eye that's open. I didn't really like this design. I feel like it's quite boring. I like the eyes when it's open. I don't know why she gave me this design, and the keychain's gone. She lied, but it's fine, I guess. I was actually thinking to hang that on my backpack, but I guess not now. So next thing I pull out is this. Another hard one. Oh, it's another Nom Nom. It smells really good. It's like this. A little bit bigger. Really cute. Really nice. Thank you. I'm kind of running out of squishies in there. I don't know where's my ice cream. I don't know it. But like, this is an ice cream, and I did order a rainbow ice cream. Something. But I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's an extra. This is giving me a lot of extra. Okay, you've got to be kidding me. This is another like panda. This is my panda. Don't tell me this is my jumbo panda egg. It's not even jumbo. It's a mini one. It's the size of my hand. Well, my palm. Oh my gosh. Are you serious right now? I don't get it. I'm going to have to contact her about this because I paid a lot for that. Her price also weren't really cheap, so next thing, what's this? Okay, so I found a milk bottle top squishy. Don't tell me that this freaking thing is my Shopkins milk squishy. I ordered 2 Shopkins and it's blue like this. Gosh. And I have this thing, which is my soft and slow cookie, I think. But it's so much defects, and this was $12.90. Like usually these are like in stores they're like $4 or $5. I would appreciate that, but I just bought it anyways because I really wanted it. I can't really find them in stores anymore, but I don't know what happened because I just I'm not happy about this. I don't really like it. Not that much. It doesn't even come in packaging. And I'm guessing that my ice cream is my rainbow ice cream. I found this. And this is Chinese. I don't know. Well, this is a Premi 5 one, and I am Premi 5, so this is actually a really good book for me. It's a really good book for me. Yay. Guys, I'm just gonna stop the video here. There's nothing else. I'm gonna have to contact her about this. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'm sorry about the background noise because that's just my maid. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. This is just a little skit. She's probably laughing now. I don't like her. She's not doing her job properly, but anyways, here's all my nom noms. These are mine. And what's crazy is I bought these, but they're like, you know, one of them comes like, I already opened this, but it comes with the slime and 2 nom noms. Well, 3 nom noms because one is in the slime. So these, no. I think no. Yeah, these were the 2 nom noms that were in here, but I got one more. I don't know why, so I must be really like chosen something. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoy. And here are their shout outs: Khalid, Sarah, Hafiz, last but not least, Minkshin. So Sarah actually posts videos about squishies and stuff, but she doesn't have a YouTube account. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, I forgot to do that handshake. Pooh.